Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili paneer. First, let's prepare our paneer. Take 250 grams of fresh paneer and cut it into neat 1-inch cubes. Next, gently fry these cubes in a little oil until they turn a beautiful golden brown on all sides. This step adds a lovely texture. Once fried, remove them and set aside, allowing any excess oil to drain. Now, let's get those vibrant vegetables ready. Finely chop 1 large onion and 2 colorful bell peppers, perhaps red and green. Heat a wok or large pan with 1 tablespoon of oil over high heat. Add your chopped vegetables and stir-fry them quickly for about 2 minutes until they are slightly tender crisp. Then, add 1 tablespoon each of minced ginger and garlic. The sauce is where the magic happens. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Add a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. For a perfect consistency, stir in a slurry made from 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with a little water. This will give us that lovely, glossy finish. It's time to bring everything together. Pour your delicious sauce mixture directly over the sautéed vegetables in the hot pan. Let it bubble for a moment, then gently fold in your golden fried paneer cubes. Toss everything carefully to ensure each piece is beautifully coated. Garnish generously with freshly chopped spring onions and serve your amazing chili paneer immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.